Hello, this presentation covers the market and competition analysis that was conducted for the SolarPhone product. It will include the value network and touch on the interview questions that were posed to the value network members, the product datasheet for the SolarPhone product, and the dimensional competitive analysis that was done for the product relative to other competitive products in the market segment. The value network for SolarPhone consists of solar cell supplier, the phone manufacturer, and the end user. The solar cell supplier will provide the solar panels designed to specifications that will be integrated into the solar phones. Possible suppliers that were looked at are First Solar, Annual Technologies, and PowerFirm Solar. The phone manufacturer designs, markets, and sells the product. Potential cell phone manufacturers that will be partnered with are Apple, Motorola, Nokia, Samsung, LG, and Ericsson. The end user is the consumer who buys the phone for personal use. End users are divided up into market segments based on their need for solar power. Potential end users are people in rural areas with limited electric power, consumers looking to reduce their carbon footprint, and consumers with daily cell phone usage greater than the capacity of a fully charged phone battery. Interviews will be conducted with members of the value network and other key players who play a vital role in the manufacturing, sale, and use of solar phones. 6 types of players were chosen to be interviewed, namely customers, suppliers, partnering mobile phone manufacturers, investors, employees, and communities. And the tables in the current and next slide list the questions pertaining to the type of member that is being interviewed. These questions were asked mainly for the purpose of getting a perspective on how the key players perceive the product and company and what they would like to see changed, improved, or removed. The product data sheet shows a picture of the placement of the solar panel on the back of the cell phone. The table on the right lists the key need problems that are satisfied by the different features of the phone. The initial price point for the product will be $45, and this price was determined by doing an analysis on the similar product with comparable features that are already in the market. The table on the bottom right has the physical specs for the phone. Dimensional competitive analysis was done on SolarPhone relative to other competitive products in the market. The competitive products that were identified were the Samsung Crest E1107, the Solio standalone solar charger, and the HTW solar phone. The different dimensions that were investigated were price, solar efficiency, size, packaging, durability, aesthetics, and energy consumption. A ranking system of 0 to 4, 0 being worst and 4 being the best, was used to rank each phone per dimension. A two-dimensional competitive advantage analysis was also performed. The two dimensions were value versus performance. The value of each product was the total of the ranking of size and durability. The performance of each product was the total of ranking for solar efficiency, packaging, and energy consumption. The results of this analysis gave SolarPhone the highest numbers both in value and performance, putting it at the top right corner of the 2D competitive advantage graph relative to the other products in the market.